Hello everyone, welcome in this video lecture. I am Bhaskar Ankush, working as an assistant professor in Rasika Mahavidyalaya Devni, district Latur. Today in this lecture we are going to see the haloalkenes and haloarenes chapter. For this chapter, this is the first lecture. Haloalkenes. Firstly, we should know what is meant by alkene. Alkene, alkanes, alkynes. Out of these three, alkene is important for this chapter. Alkenes, it is the unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon double bond, and if one or more hydrogen atom from the alkene is replaced by the halogen atom, then we will get the halogen derivative of alkanes. This halogen derivative of alkene is known as haloalkenes. This halogen may be fluorine, bromine, iodine, that is chloroalkene, iodoalkene. These are commonly known as haloalkenes. In this chapter, we have to see in our syllabus for the BSc first year, we have to see what is haloalkenes and preparation and chemical reaction of haloalkenes. The one of the example of the haloalkene is a vinyl chloride. That is, it is IUPAC name of this one is a chloroethene. It is obtained by alkene ethene, that is CH2 double bond CH2, and one of the hydrogen atom from this ethene is replaced by the chloro or chlorine. Then we will get this chloroethene is commonly known as vinyl chloride. This vinyl chloride is an important compound used to synthesize the most useful and common polymer, that is PVC or polyvinyl chloride, and its IUPAC name I have said, that is chloroethene. It is a colorless and flammable gas that evaporates very quickly. Now there are some preparation methods of vinyl chloride. First of these, synthesis of vinyl chloride from 1,2 dichloroethane. This is the CH2 and chlorine atom is attached at the 1 and 2 position. Only 2 carbons are there in the ethane, and 2 hydrogen atoms of this ethane are replaced by chlorine. This is the 1,2-dichloroethane. When this 1,2-dichloroethane reacts with the dilute alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide KOH, then we will get, by the elimination reaction, we get vinyl chloride as a product. This vinyl chloride also can be obtained by the thermal decomposition of this 1,2-dichloroethane at the 600 to 650, that is higher temperature. This 1,2-dichloroethane undergoes a decomposition to obtain or to form the vinyl chloride. This is also elimination of HCl molecule from this 1,2-dichloroethane. The one more method for the preparation or synthesis of the vinyl chloride from ethene, this will be the substitution reaction, that is हे बघा CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2, या इथेनमध्ये 2 कार्बन आहेत, प्रत्येक कार्बनला 2 हायड्रोजन आहेत. कोणत्याही एका कार्बनच्या 2 हायड्रोजनपैकी एक हायड्रोजन रिप्लेस करून तिथं Cl लावला तर आपल्याला काय मिळेल, व्हिनिल क्लोराईड. मग याला काय म्हणायचं, सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन और रिप्लेसमेंट. वन ऑफ द हायड्रोजन ॲटम इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय द क्लोरीन, दॅट इज substitution reaction, and this reaction is taking place via the free radical mechanism, that is Cl chlorine free radical is formed, and this reaction proceed by the free radical mechanism. When this ethene on chlorination at the 500 degree Celsius, we get the vinyl chloride as a product. Ethene on reaction with chlorine at 500 degree Celsius, we get this विनिल क्लोराईड ॲज अ प्रोडक्ट. अगोदर काय होईल, या रिएक्शन मध्ये क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल हा त्यापासून 2 क्लोरीन फ्री रॅडिकल होतील, त्यावरचा एक क्लोरीन इथं अटॅक करेल, त्यावर इथं एक फ्री रॅडिकल दुसरा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन तयार होईल, आणि नंतरचा इथला हायड्रोजन एक निघून जाईल आणि इथं तयार होईल CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CHCl, that is replacement of the hydrogen atom by chlorine by free radical mechanism. Then we get the vinyl chloride as a product. These are the preparation methods of vinyl chloride. This reaction takes place by free radical mechanism. These are two preparation methods of vinyl chloride. Now we will see the chemical reaction of vinyl chloride. That is, what are the action of different reagents or chemical with vinyl chloride. The vinyl chloride undergoes polymerization reaction, addition reaction, etc. It gives the reaction of alkene, that is alkene also undergoes polymerization, addition reaction. Now vinyl chloride on addition with the HBr, this reaction will proceed by this reaction will taking place by Marconic rule. What is Marconic rule? तुम्ही 11वीला शिकला असाल, 11वी 12वी मध्ये. मार्कोनिक रूल मध्ये काय असतं, हे HBr चं आयोनायझेशन केल्यास काय होईल, H प्लस आणि Br मायनस. तर H प्लस कुठं अटॅच होईल, जिथं ऑलरेडी डबल बॉन्ड पैकी जिथं हायड्रोजन जास्त आहे ज्या कार्बनला तिथं H प्लस जाईल, आणि जिथं हायड्रोजन कमी आहेत म्हणजे मोर सबस्टिट्यूटेड कार्बनला निगेटिव्ह पार्ट अटॅच होईल, आणि त्यापासून आपल्याला प्रोडक्ट मिळेल, ॲडिशन प्रोडक्ट. वेन दिस विनिल क्लोराईड ऑन रिएक्शन विथ HBr undergoes addition reaction with formation of 1-bromo 1-chloroethane. This chloroethene, आता इथं पहा या 2 कार्बन आहेत आणि हा क्लोरीन. हा जो कार्बन आहे याला एकच हायड्रोजन आहे आणि हा कार्बन आहे त्याला 2 हायड्रोजन. जेवढे हायड्रोजन जास्त असतील या दोन्हीपैकी ते लेस सबस्टिट्यूटेड झाला, त्याला कमी हायड्रोजन आहेत म्हणून मोर सबस्टिट्यूटेड झाला. तर हा जो HBr चं आयोनायझेशन केल्यास तर काय होईल, H प्लस आणि Br मायनस तयार होईल. H प्लस हा कुठं जाईल, मोर लेस सबस्टिट्यूटेड कार्बन किंवा कार्बन हॅव्हिंग मोर नंबर ऑफ हायड्रोजन इथं अटॅक होईल, आणि Br अटॅक ॲट द मोर सबस्टिट्यूटेड कार्बन और कार्बन हॅव्हिंग लेस नंबर ऑफ hydrogen atom, and this Br is attached at this one, then we will get this 1-bromo 1-chloroethane as a addition product. This reaction is taking place by the Marconic rule. Marconic rule काय असतो हे आता सांगितलेलं आहे. याचा पॉझिटिव्ह पार्ट कुठं जातो, जिथं हायड्रोजन जास्त आहे तिथे, आणि निगेटिव्ह पार्ट कुठं जातो, या डबल बॉन्ड पैकी 2 कार्बनचाच फक्त, बाकी दुसरीकडे इकडे किती कार्बन असतील तर त्याचा विषय नाही. पॉझिटिव्ह पार्ट कुठं अटॅक होईल, जिथं कार्बन जास्त आहेत, आणि निगेटिव्ह स्पेसिस हा कुठं ॲड होईल, ॲट द मोर सबस्टिट्यूटेड कार्बन. दिस इज द Marconic rule. Positive part of the reagent H plus ion will attack at the more substituted carbon, and the negative part will attack at the less substituted carbon. Now, second reaction of vinyl chloride is a polymerization reaction. Polymerization means number of monomer units combine with each other to form the larger molecule is called as polymerization reaction. This vinyl chloride CH2 double bond CHCl, this vinyl chloride undergoes polymerization reaction in the presence of the catalyst benzoyl peroxide to form the PVC. This N means number of vinyl chlorides undergoes polymerization in presence of peroxide to form this polyvinyl chloride. It is commonly known as or abbreviated as PVC. This PVC is most commercially useful in the manufacturing of different goods such as pipes, wiring, electric wiring, curtains, umbrella, etc. These are used in the manufacture of synthetic leather goods, raincoat, plastic curtain, plastic pipes, floor tiles and packaging materials. See, these are the PVC pipe, that is polyvinyl chloride. These are used in the agriculture for water supply. These pipes are made up of polyvinyl chloride, as well as these strips are used in electric wiring in the home or construction. This is a raincoat. It is also made up of PVC or polyvinyl chloride. Umbrella and this curtain, it is also made up of PVC. And these are the different things, wire, etc. These are also manufactured or made up of PVC. From this, we conclude that PVC is a most useful haloalkenes or haloalkenes vinyl chloride, from which PVC material is synthesized to manufacture the different daily useful things. Here we will stop, and next haloalkenes, that is allyl iodide, we will see allyl iodide in the next lecture. So thank you very much all the students for your kind attention and to see this video. So if you like this video, then you like and share this video and subscribe my channels. Thank you very much.